What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm here at Ty's house by myself today because he had to go take care of some family stuff, but we have a new car to introduce into the family. We got my boy, my brother's Q50 out here, about to install some carbon fiber shit. Y'all probably already seen it. I think have you been in here in the channel before? No. He just got a Q50. We got a rear diffuser with the fourth brake light and some carbon fiber M-style mirror caps to install today.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling about that? Oh, and that little lip, because she looking naked.
They're supposed to be on my other one.
Oh yeah, some interesting stuff happened. Y'all could probably check it out on his TikTok.
It's gonna happen today.
But we're gonna get right into it. Ty should be back probably within like an hour or two. So when he get back, you guys will see him. So keep you guys. So these are the sequential lights, the mirror caps. I can't remember who I ordered them from.
That was from Duran Motorsports?
Duran Motorsports. And then I bought these from Facebook Marketplace. I don't want to show y'all no address. And then the diffuser and the little lip are from Minte. These things took like 4 months to freaking come because they were stuck at the port. Having little technical difficulties over here, but just to give you guys a little, y'all remember Brian John Cena from the Cars and Coffee we went to the other day. These should just be, we're just gonna pop these off. I mean, if we break tabs, then we break tabs. I'm sure he's not gonna want them back. And then these, they'll come off once we take those caps off. Yeah, I know the little lip spoilers. Oh, double-sided tape. And same with the rear diffuser. Hopefully we don't need no tap screws. Then that's gonna be annoying. Here they are. Yes, sir. What this do? So this looks like the lip.
Open it the wrong way. Oh yeah, that's the.
Let's get this shit.
Spoiler.
This comes from the side. And I'm not seeing no double-sided tape. We might be fucked. Oh no, I found some right here.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Let's open that bad boy up.
Trying to pull it.
Yes, sir, that thing. Let's move this stuff out the way real quick. Let's see how fitting it is with Minte. There's the other way. So it'll go like this. Ooh. It looks something like right there. Let's hide a little bit. Oh, I was about to say, oh, what the fuck?
Nah, yeah, I thought it was too, because on the bottom it has like some sticky side.
Yeah.
That looks nice. And the diffuser in between with the rear light. This one you said was only 3 wires? Or?
Yeah, as far as I know, it's just 3 wires. Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah, okay. And
black and yellow.
the mirror caps for the sequential lights is not so much wiring?
It's plug and play.
Oh, it's plug and play. I forgot you said that.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Come on. Why what? We're having technical difficulties.
I hate that type of tape, yeah. I'll tell with this, brother.
There we go. That's this right here. Gonna go down here.
Oh, that one was clean, I'm not gonna lie.
Somewhere like that.
Oh, yeah, that one look clean.
I'll be right there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we'll get back to you guys when we get all this shit sorted out. We'll probably start with the mirror caps because they're probably the easiest, and the spoiler. The humble abode, the other guy.
Yes, sir.
He want Rick. We barely finished putting the spoiler.
Huh?
We barely finished putting the little lip spoiler. Let me show y'all. Oh man, she out here helped out, of course. This shit looks clean. Woo. It has some good flair to it.
We got the lip and the diffuser from the same website, huh?
Yeah, they're both from Ninte. So I can say Ninte got some good ass fitment. Look at that, even on both sides.
Homie, cool shirt.
Thank you.
So guys,
Let's show everybody the.
you wish you was that cool.
And now we about to start doing these mirror caps.
I'm about to go make some hot dogs or something. I'm hungry.
You better go get the show boing boings.
Yeah.
You got caught.
You got caught on the
gladiator.
What? It's go, yeah, no, it's too late. That boy got 2 shaboy boings in there, man, chilling. Go on, let the crowd see, they already seen it, It's too late, man. Boy got 2 shaboy boings just chilling in there, man.
You can't hide that. We're back to y'all.
Anybody want smoke, we could pull up. No, it's the SI hat side markers.
I'm about to leave that in, bro. You go for it.
Man, hey, I don't know what I'm doing here.
Ugly dude.
Alright, so we got the new sequentials on. This is a quick plug and play. Hit
I
that.
did no work. I'm
The
just hanging
old
out.
ones.
Come on, bruh.
The old ones, but look at these.
Alright, peep the.
Ooh, y'all see the sequential up on
The
those.
sequential on the hose.
And we put the wrong side.
This guy, you
Hey,
put the
you
wrong
see?
side.
This is all going
And
in
I'm
the
pretty
video.
sure that should say right on the back. There's a whole R right there.
Well,
We'll get back
See
together
me.
when we put
Everybody's stoned the weird kid.
Later that same evening.
the shit is on there. Look at that. A little, ooh, y'all. Now he just needs to get some different headlights, some sequential headlights, some customs.
This flavor?
oh, nah, OG could. I'll only be getting like
No.
I never had these.
Now we just gotta do the other side. It did take a little maneuvering to get the clips on there, because it is a, you guys can see it is a lot of clips.
But I'm
Some
the
going
GOAT,
one direction.
and I got it on there. So shout out to your boy.
We gotta give him
I
props,
seen Layden
obviously.
did more work than everybody else. Nah.
Now it's just the other side, so you guys know how it is gonna go. So once we're done with this, we'll get back to you guys when we start the diffuser. All right, fast forward. Everybody's chilling. This is goddamn hot. But my brother and Ty went to the Harbor Freight, and they're going to Home Depot because I need 2 more longer bolts. This shit's already fast in here. Come hit at your boy for custom work. Nah, but they went to Harbor Freight to get a fucking heat gun because this shit decided they don't want to stick. So now we gotta get a heat gun and hope that that shit kind of helps it mold onto this fucking place. The videos we were looking at, well, one of them decided to say, oh, take off the goddamn bumper. We didn't have to take off the bumper. All we had to do was access it from the inside, which that's what we did here. You guys can see the wiring for the tail light, but that's all we really needed to access. I didn't have to take off the goddamn bumper. I don't know whose video I was looking at, but extra work for extra nothing. I mean, it kind of helps now because now I'm able to line this shit up a little easier, but it's just unnecessary work. So when they get back, I'll hit you guys up again and keep you guys posted. So see you guys in a bit.
We said, we ain't going nowhere.
She said, this shit not finna stop, nigga. I'm not going nowhere.
All right, switch to the iPhone because the GoPro want to say bye bye on 17%.
I'm buying another battery literally
Bro, that shit has 17% and that shit said powering off, low battery.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
It is what it is, but we're finally done. You guys can see the lip here, the rear diffuser, the little, y'all can see the wangs, the mirror caps. Look, I can zoom in now. But you guys about to get the little startup so you guys can see the new fourth brake light on this thing. We thought we were gonna mess this shit up, but look at that. Beautiful.
Crispy.
Turn that down. Yup. We gotta get that from my seat, because I know they got them from us on that fucking reflector that they got. They have a reflector on it that doesn't do shit, but you can switch it out for one of those fourth brake lights up. What you gotta say?
Pull it out.
Man, this
Took a while.
That's the beginning, though. That's the beginning.
It's the beginning.
Bag it. Some $5,000 wheels. Actually, you're not gonna bag it. It's gonna be static.
Got the smoke sequentials on there. Now that shit looks windy.
Everywhere. You're gonna be scraping everywhere.
If you know me, you know I do not.
All right.
We gotta pressure this man.
Yeah, we're gonna
to
pressure
slam
him.
this, but static though. We're not bagging this.
Nah, you'll see me bag. You see
Nah,
me.
don't even
Yeah,
trip.
you gonna bag it, and you ain't gonna have no room with them goddamn speakers in there.
Ooh,
Damn,
the slap.
It's either slap
Bag it
or
the
bags.
slap.
I said the G37 was.
All right,
Nah,
y'all.
you're not about to play me.
We're freaking done. We're hungry. It's goddamn hot. We're all filthy and shit.
Not me. I didn't do too much work.
Oh,
Not
yeah,
this time.
My fingers. But thank you guys for watching. We got a lot more shit coming.
Yeah,
We appreciate-
We started the truck earlier.
Yeah, we
but
appreciate
it's not getting
everything.
fuel, so.
The freaking we haven't fucking what's the word for it? Acknowledged, because we haven't uploaded, but
Oh yeah.
the freaking Wetfest video is at like 100 and some views.
Oh, gang.
That's something we
I
ain't
even
gotten yet.
peeped.
That's something we ain't gotten yet in this channel, so we appreciate you guys for all of
Nah,
that.
we for sure we got over 100
But that's
views.
on like an older,
Oh,
older
okay, okay,
video.
okay. I was
But
gonna say.
for a video that we uploaded and then within the week we got 100 and some views.
Yeah, y'all the homies.
We
Keep
appreciate
it up.
all the support, and
We'll
then
keep bringing y'all cool stuff. It was lit.
Let's hopefully see more of the Q.
Yeah.
Hopefully get more into
so
this car.
we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for all the support. Peace.